Smartsheet for Business Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are included in the description if you'd like to learn more or request a demo. Smartsheet is a robust work execution platform designed to streamline project management, collaboration, and task tracking across businesses of all sizes. It's particularly suited for project managers, team leaders, and enterprise-level organizations that require a versatile tool to manage complex workflows, track progress, and collaborate efficiently. One of Smartsheet's standout features is its familiar spreadsheet interface, making it easy for users to adopt, especially those accustomed to Excel. However, beneath the surface, it offers far more than a simple spreadsheet tool. Smartsheet integrates powerful project management features such as task assignment, Gantt charts, resource management, and automated workflows. This makes it an excellent choice for teams looking to maintain visibility and control over tasks, deadlines, and dependencies. The platform's real-time collaboration capabilities allow teams to work together seamlessly, sharing files, comments, and updates in a centralized space. Smartsheet also provides customizable dashboards, offering at-a-glance visibility into project status, key metrics, and milestones. Another key feature is its integration with other tools such as Google Workspace, Microsoft Office 365, and Slack, helping businesses connect their entire tech stack and improve productivity. However, while Smartsheet offers a wide array of features, it can be overwhelming for small teams or businesses with simpler project management needs. The interface may take some time to master, and customization options, while powerful, can require a steep learning curve. Additionally, pricing may be a concern for smaller organizations as the cost scales with the number of users and features. On the positive side, Smartsheet excels in scalability, making it a perfect choice for growing teams or large organizations with complex project management needs. In conclusion, Smartsheet is a feature-rich, flexible platform ideal for businesses looking to streamline project workflows, improve collaboration, and maintain visibility into their processes. Its balance of simplicity and powerful features makes it a top choice for organizations that need a comprehensive solution to manage their projects effectively. Check out the links in the description for more details.